news that we are now getting on the broadcast. We're learning that after Umar Nabi's terror video that had surfaced yesterday, now Asaduddin Owaisi has made a big remark. He's gone on to say that such acts are against the law of the land. He's also, in fact, gone on to claim that suicide is haram in Islam and the killing of innocents is a grave sin. He also says that this is terrorism and nothing else. So, big statement that has been made by Asaduddin Owaisi talking about how such the acts are against the law of the land. Aneri, my colleague, continues to be with us on the broadcast. Aneri, right after a series of videos that have come out of Umar Nabi trying to possibly explain to his co-members of that entire terror module on how they should go ahead and involve themselves in the Fidaiin killing, this statement by Asaduddin Owaisi.
Well, definitely a big statement coming in from AIMIM chief and Hyderabad MP Asaduddin Owaisi, where this comes just days after we have been seeing series of videos and CCTV videos where the Delhi blast accused Umar Nabi, who has been seen in these CCTV videos. Well, now AIMIM chief Asaduddin Owaisi has taken to social media where he has stated that this is misunderstood in many ways. And there's nothing, this is terrorism and nothing else is what Asaduddin Owaisi has been stating. And now I'll just read out his whole statement where he has stated that there is an undated video of Delhi blast accused Umar Nabi justifying the suicide bombing as martyrdom, and that itself is misunderstood. Suicide in haram is haram in Islam, and the killing of innocents is a grave sin, is what Asaduddin Owaisi is seen stating, and such acts are also against the law of the land. A big statement coming in from AIMIM chief Asaduddin Owaisi, and this is after a series of videos of Umar Nabi, who is accused of the Delhi blast which happened on the 10/11, where we see that now Asaduddin Owaisi is seen that this is a terrorism and nothing else.
Right. Thank you so much for that, Aneri. We will keep an eye on this big story, series of videos that were released of Umar Nabi, the Fidaiin attacker, who was very much part of that vehicle that blew itself up very close to the Lal Killa. It was a very significant attack in the national capital on the 10th of November. Tracking all the details about that and more. But right now we go into a very short break.